Sanibonani nonke, ngiyanibingelela kwi-channel Ndlovu Soweto TV. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningiphe ithuba lokuthi ngikhulume nani. Sekuphele inyanga ey'ntathu ngaqala ukuvula le channel okusemthethweni ngizophosta nje ngezinto ey'thile umaskandi. Angangenelanga-ke ukukhuluma ngomaskandi nezinto ey'ningi engagcina sengiyikhuluma. Ngangithi nje ngisiphostela i-short video kaKhuzani ngeyi-14 November ngoba wayezokhipha ngeyi-15. Ngayabona indlela abantu abangi-receive ngayo nabantu ababemagange ngayo kulowo ma-short video. 2 days later kwaba khona ividiyo encanyana 2 minutes engayenzayo. Discover ukuthi YouTube is more than what we see physically, it's more than what we were told and taught before. YouTube is life. YouTube into engashintsha impilo yomuntu. YouTube ungakunika ithuba lokuthi ubeke umbono wakho, iqiniso lakho ngendlela wena ofuna ngayo, ngaphandle kokuthi kube khona umuntu ozokulawula akutshela ukuthi khuluma kanjani. Ungakhohlwa kusuke kuyi-voice yakho, ubuso bakho ubusuke bulaphana, kusuke kuwena okhulumayo, engekho ostile okubuzile izinto. You chose to do the video, you chose to put the video out there so that people can see it. Therefore people will have their own opinions. Eminye ingangaba mihle imbono, eminye ingaba mnandi. However, you decided ukuthi wena, I'm gonna post a video, I'm gonna have my say on a certain topics about certain people. Engizama ukusho ukuthi-ke anything eyenzakalayo from YouTube kuphumela ngaphandle uhambe ubade emphakathini, kunabantu abakwaziyo ukuthi wena izinto oyikhulumayo mhlawumbe nezinye bayayithanda abayithandi, maybe uyikhuluma ngumuntu thizeni. Bathi-ke mina inhloso yami kwakuyingenela nje ngiyiphostile lokho engikuphostile ngoKhuzani. Since ngumuntu ongakaze post anything before prior to that day of the 14th of February. But the reception that I got, it was overwhelming. The engagement, I want to comment and all that stuff. It made me realize that maybe, just maybe, there is something engenzeka if I can dig deep into this and find out what is YouTube. YouTube's all about what can I do besides posting those short videos. It is why I'm here today making this video, saying thank you to everyone, the first subscriber, people who contributed, commenting, sending likes, people who subscribe, people who receive notification every time I make a video. They receive notification. People who are searching content and they come across with this channel. I like to say thank you to each and every one of you. I'm blessed to have people like you who supported this channel for the past 3 months. Thank you very much. Okunye bengifuna ukuveza ilokho, angisiyo umhlaziyi, anginalo ulwazi ngomaskandi. Engikukhulumayo, I only say basic things, izinto ezi-general. Olunye ulwazi mhlawumbe noma ngikhuluma into kusuke ngi-scratch nje on the surface, angibi deep, because impilo yomaskandi ifuna ukuthi ungayiphila uze udlule ukuphila impilo yakho, which is difficult for some of us and other people. Abanye bayayiphila, abanye they go as far as bengele iy'mpilo zabaculi uku-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, beze bebe nama-conservation nabaculi nama-managers walabo baculi. Mina anginalo privilege, but what I have ilokho nana enikutholayo okusharwa abaculi, ama-video, the same thing lezi eniyi-receive-ayo. Nami ngishare leyo information leyo ebese mina ngifaka ulwazi lwami nemicabango yami, okungeyona into ukuthi mase ngikhulumile mina is a final sekumele kube kanjalo. No, mina kusuke ukucabanga kwami nokuthi nawe umuntu lapha phandle osuke ukhona ucabanga into uyibona kanjani, uzenzele yakhe decision, uyithatha sakhe isinqumo. Ingakho kubalulekile ukuthi emhlabeni uma umuntu uphila, you must have a stance on something. You can't just live without knowing where you stand with life. There are many things happening in our day-to-day life struggles. We meet different circumstances, we meet different challenges, consequences. Therefore, you must have a say. You can't just say, no, I'm neutral. You can't be neutral in this day and age. You out to take a stance, a decision. You as a human being, an old, capable person, yini oyicabangayo, kwenzakalani ezweni, yini oyibona i-wrong, yini oyibona i-right, yini obona ngathi ingashintsha ukuze izwe liye phambili, whether we-politics, whether emculweni, whether it's life in general, whether into ey'fana nogesi, ama-service delivery, amanzi, into ezayibhedlela. You must have a say. You can't just live and hope for the best. It doesn't work like that. Because one day ungaba yi-leader somewhere, uyoba yi-leader kanjani ungenayo into oyicabangayo. So ingakho nami ngilapha namhlanje ukuthi by this time angingayitshela ukuthi I'll be making videos, talking to people, sharing my thoughts and views on how I view izinto zamaskandi, because maskandi deep. There are people, knowledgeable people out there who talk about maskandi each and every day. I'm just a guy oziphumela emakhaya, uke walusa, uke wabophela, uke walima, uke waqhathwa, awenze zonke izinto. Umuntu mayolusa engaqoki lutho ezicathulweni, uye uhlatshwa ameva, hlale nebhola kube mnandi, yonke loo nto le. I'm just a normal person. Akukho ku-special mhlawumbe nokuwaw ongathi mhlawumbe mangitshela khona ukuthi hey ndoda hayi le nto le, no, just a normal person. Hopefully with this channel one day I would grow, I'll become a better person, a better talker. I'll become what I always wanted to be, to share my views and put my views out there. Nabanye abantu aba interested lokho engizokusho. Mina nje I'm just a commentator and ngibuya nje imbona nje kuphela. There's nothing special, there's nothing serious. Akumelanga uze mhlawumbe ucasule inkulumo yami engisuke ngiyikhuluma ukuthi why ngikhuluma nje. You don't have to ukuthi ube kanjalo. Imbono yami akulona iqiniso wena osekumele uliphile. Nawe ungawenza imbono yakho ubeke nawe lokho sokubeka. Akumelanga uzulinde mina ukuthi just because this is what I've said now eshuthi kunjalo, no. So indlela engibona ngayo. Ingakho umuntu nomuntu kumele abeke umbono wakhe ukuthi yini ayicabangayo, so that people can understand, understand better. Because ukuba silent sometimes it means khona into uvumelana nayo without saying anything. So masikandi kunjalo. Leyo video leyo ingakho ngithi ngifuna ukuyenza ukuthi nje ngiyabonga yonke le journey. I didn't expect this, but ngibonga kakhulu ithuba kubona bonke abantu ababeyingxenye ukuthi kuze kufike la. Inyanga nje ezimbalwa aziziningi because waqala nge-14 November to 14 December, 14 December to 14 January, 14 January to 14 February, 14 February to 14 March. Yeah, it's 4 months to be exact. ngathi ngiphethe ama-date. So yeah, it's 4 months. Umuntu egrinda enza amavidiyo, efunda uYouTube, check-a ukuthi ama-hours, poster, thumbnail, description, create ama-video premiere, ama-copyright claim, i-copyright engenayo, i-strike, is to understand oku-wrong, oku-right, kusebenzisa i-reuse content abanye abantu imithetho nama-challenges eza nalokho. Umuntu namanje usafunda, usa-understand. One day umuntu uzoyithola ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Umuntu ayi-understand kangcono ukuthi okay, lento ihamba kanje. Nezinto umuntu okumele ayikhuluma, nangendlela umuntu adeliver ngayo i-speech, nangendlela umuntu anarrate ngayo indaba if iyenzeka. Umuntu I will get it right one day. But as for now, I'm still learning. This is a learning curve for me, and I'm grateful ukuthi I'm still learning a lot of things. Ulwazi umuntu uyaliqongobezelela kancane kancane. Empilweni awazi ukuthi yini ukuphumelelisa. Empilweni awazi ukuthi i-potential yakho ikuphi. Unless you try something, you'll never know ukuthi capable of doing what. Nabantu abagcina benza kabi ukuthubani besingazi ukuthi ukanje bengabulala umuntu. Because abantu, they don't express themselves, they don't show emotions, they stay there keeping quiet, continuing with their own life. One day, bang, they react because there come some emotions. The day wakhombisa, it becomes a problem. So nalapha YouTube ukwenza ama-video, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of dedication. Ukwenza edit, create a logo, create a thumbnail, takes time, data, sometimes interfere nomsebenzi losukuwenza kuze kube ngathi wena mhlambe you are too focused kuze affecteke nomuntu obambisene naye, abona ngathi wena ufocus ezintweni zo-YouTube kakhulu, awusazenza ezinye izinto. Because uYouTube, if you get it right, uYouTube une-potential ending. There's a lot you can get out of YouTube. Besides ukuthi mhlambeni if sekufike into zokuthi uyamonetizwa after reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hour, base bayacheck ukuthi channel yakho i-right, ayinayo i-content ebhedayo, lo muntu othi uyena awusebenzisa ama-content abantu. Once you've qualified and you put hard work, there's a potential ku-YouTube. So into ku-YouTube ileyo. Ingakho ukubona ngathi abantu they put more time, they put more effort. It's because they can achieve something. And kukhona abazi ukusebenzisana khona namanye amakhampani ukuthi sizosebenzisana ngendlela thize, kube nemadlana ethize esayinwa ukuthi hayi wena ngenza kanje uzothola into kanje. Benza ama-promotions and all those things. Ma-promo code, maybe besenzisa i-promo code yakho uma bethenga something, ama-followers wakho, and then you get paid like that. It's how you create something out of nothing through YouTube. So abantu ke bazozama yonke indlela ukuthi bekwenze lokho. Ungabona umuntu engathi mhlawumbe usebhizi kakhulu. People are hustling, people are grinding in life. Life is difficult. Life ayikho lula, and life isazoba simple, isazoba nzima, ayikho simple. If you are staying there and hoping ukuthi imisebenzi is gonna save you, then you don't know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ezweni, kuzoba nzima. Because if umuntu emhlabeni okhambisa ngithele, kuzoba the problem. At some stage you have to do something, you have to try something new, into ongayazi, and hoping ukuthi yena you will get it right, uzoba successful. And if you do become successful, you must look back and check ukuthi ijourney yakho ihambe kanjani, udlule kuphi, who was there for you, who was supporting you, ubani bengabeliveli kuwena kulento lena. And ngokubelivela, it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani obelivela kuwena who doesn't believe in you. Mawenze to YouTube, it's all about you. It's about what you want. It's about what you want to achieve in life. It's your life. You must live your life the way you want. You cannot let other people to determine your life. No, it's your life. You live the way you see it fit. As long as life yakhe kusaphambili, ugcina uphumelela. Lokho kubalulekile. Because abantu they'll always talk. Ukuthi hayi lento izama ngeTube injani njani ngeke kusebenzele. While bona they are doing nothing. Behleli ngezinqa zabo, making ama-comments, because people is what they do. They comment on other people's affairs while they are not doing anything for themselves. So thank you video leyo ukuthi thank you very much. This journey difficult, very difficult. For the last past 4 months, it's been very stressful. Umuntu spend more time doing videos than aphila impilo yakhe. So akuzolunga. Sizobona ukuthi uNkulunkulu siphathelene, ukuthi uhleleni idalo zethu ezifunayo ngathi yini into esizoyenza from here going forward. I can only wish umuntu akhule if enza kahle. Hopefully engikwenzayo kubanye abantu kufika kangcono bazoku-understand. Mina ngithanda ukukhulumela kakhulu ngoKhuzani. It's got nothing to do with amanye ama-artist. Ngithanda ukukhulumela ngoKhuzani because i-content kaMaskandi ngiyithanda kakhulu. Bayayenza abafowethu nabo sisi bayayenza bambalwa, but abafowethu abayenzayo. But out of, let's say, out of 12 ama-channels anokukhuluma Maskandi, amanye is not even full-time Maskandi content. Let's say out of 12, you will find one channel kwi-content yayo 100%. Only 3% ukhuluma hle ngoKhuzani. Only one out of 12. Nayo 3% ilokho abakubeka hle ngoKhuzani. Nayo 97% abakhuluma hle ngoKhuzani. So lokho ngakubuka kuyinto ethanda kuba i-challenge, because everyone is being praised here, even if beza wrong, benza into eyibhedayo. Kuthiwa ubani unenkani, umshuvu wenkani, ubani o-right. Uma kunento njalo ekhulumekayo ebheka kuKhuzani, kuyahlekwa, kuyasinekwa. Kulondela ama-video lapho uKhuzani uma ekhulumela something, kuthiwa wayithi akusenzakalanga, wayithi uzosupport ubani ingoma yonyaka. Engazange asho lutho. So it was clear to me ukuthi okay, laba bantu laba, they are clearly biased. They are clearly pushing a propaganda. They are pushing a straightforward agenda. And thina kuzomele subscribe kulo ma-channel lawo. Sibuke lo ma-channel lawo angcolile, ane-content ebulile. Kwabanzima kakhulu. So because mina ngifuna ukuyibonela mina into le engiyifunayo. I have to become a change that I want. I have to start talking about into zamaskandi, but mainly ngifocus kakhulu kuKhuzani, because ungagugula wonke ama-channel, ucheck ama-topics ukuthi lapha akhuluma khona ngoKhuzani, bakhuluma bathini, izinto nje ezibhedayo kuphela. Mangingabalandeli abakhulumayo abadumile kuzofaka igama laKhuzani, okaKhuzani this, okaKhuzani that. Hlelo em-associate nezinto ezingekho right. Okuyinto nje ubonayo ukuthi bayamoshela ibrand yakhe lo uKhuzani. Awungiyinto angabayenza kwabanye ama-artist, bayenza kuKhuzani kuphela. So akuyona-ke inkinga leyo. Ama-channel wabo bathatha i-decision ukuthi bazokwenza kanjalo. Nami ngizokwenza lokho engikwenzayo ngendlela engenza ngayo. Akekho ozongilawula. Abanye befike bezama ukuzongilawula mhlawumbe ukuzongitshela ukuthi hey, wena ukuthi usuzokhuluma ngani. No, akekho umuntu ufika asuka le kusutha adle istambu bese eza la ezongitshela ukuthanda kwakhe. It's not gonna happen. I will say whatever I want. Engiyithanda kuMaskandi ngibeka imibono yami, because mina ngiphila impilo le engiyiphilayo. Akekho ozongikhocha ukuthi ngenze kanjani. So if you time ngicela ukuyibamba lapha, ngibala kakhulu kube uhambe olude kakhulu, kube lunzima. Bengayitshela ukuthi after that short video kaKhuzani ngibe sengenza ama-video more than 450 plus in a space of 4 months. Means umuntu uyasebenza, kodwa umuntu akwenzayo akumsebenzele phela, kuyinto yaphambili. kube ne-contribution e-positive toward Maskandi. Sale kahle, ngiyabonga kakhulu.